Hey guys, welcome back to Maxim Automation. Today in this video, we're going to see that how to perform drag and drop operation on browser using Selenium. Drag and drop operation is performed when we move or drag a web element using mouse from one location and then drops it at another location. I have got this drag and drop sample web application online. Here you can see that I can drag this document item and then move it to some different location. I'm going to drop this document into this trash element. See, the document is moved from its source location to destination location using drag and drop operation. Now let's see that how can we perform this operation in Selenium. Let's go back to the project and then I'm going to add a new feature file. Let's name it as drag and drop.feature. So in this feature file, I'm going to write a new keyword for drag and drop operation. And then we'll create a corresponding step definition for the new keyword. First, let's add the keyword to navigate to the URL. Because to perform the drag and drop operation, we need to be on that page. After that, I'm going to write a new keyword that user drag element and then provide the parameter for the source element and drop on element and then provide the parameter for target element as well. Now the next step is to create the step definition of this keyword. You can generate the step definition by doing the right click on the keyword and then copy the step definition to the clipboard. After that, go back to the step definition class and then paste it over here. So the first argument will be the source element locator and the second argument will be for destination element locator. Now the next thing is to pass the parameter into the keyword. So let's go back to the web page to create the XPath to locate the source and destination element. So this trash is the location where we need to drop our element. Create the XPath of this target element and then provide the same in the keyword parameter. Similarly, create the XPath for the element which needs to be dragged. So I'm going to create the XPath for this document image. As there are multiple images available, so I'm going to use the index value to pick the first document. Then add this XPath as well in the parameter. And then I'm going to provide the URL of the web page into this keyword. Now let's go back to the step definition class. And I'm going to create the web element for the source locator using the find element method. Provide the XPath value over here. Similarly, I'm going to create the web element for target locator using the find element method. Pass the XPath value for destination element. Now to perform the drag and drop operation, Selenium provides action class. To use it, first we need to create the object of action class and then initialize the object by passing the instance of WebDriver. After that, we can use action.drag and drop method. This method takes two arguments. First one is the source element and the second one is the target element. After that, use build method to build the sequence of actions. And then call perform method to perform this action on browser. So we are done with all the changes and now ready to perform the drag and drop operation on browser. Let's run the test to see it in action. So the browser has been invoked. And as you saw that it dragged the first document into the trash. So this is how you can automate your drag and drop scenarios using Selenium Action class. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Also, please don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.